Good morning, everybody. I'm Sylvia, the Crafty Old Lady. Thanks for joining me today. I'm so happy you're here, and I hope that you are also happy, healthy, and well. And this was March 18th. Our first flowers bloomed. This was the 19th. Crocuses, and I just wanted to record that. Are Not Flowers the Stars of the Earth by Clara Lucas Balfour. I have been collecting the tea bag quotes, and I decided to put that one there. My next layout is going to be of my grandson. He spent the day with me, and we had our first ever grandma-grandson date. I took him out by myself for the first time, and so what we did was we went to Dollar Tree. So I do have a receipt from Dollar Tree, and he picked out a few things. He picked out an Easter bucket and Easter eggs, like plastic Easter eggs that look like soccer balls and baseballs and football and a basketball. And then we went to the park, and then we went to McDonald's. So I have some ephemera from McDonald's. I thought this would make a cute pocket. I also thought this would make a cute pocket. I thought this might make a cute flip up, and I could put pictures under it and pictures on here, because I do have some pictures. But what I thought I would use was this is a banner kit that I got a long time ago from Dollar General, and I put his pictures, I rounded the corners and I put his pictures on a couple of these, and then because there's holes in it because it's a banner kit, I just decided to put some of these red stickers over the holes that would tie in with the red from McDonald's. And I have a couple of more that I want to do. Let's see, we got this one, and there should be one more little picture. Yeah, so we've got two of these. I'm going to put those together and then get the little dots on it and figure out how we're going to arrange everything on the oh boy, on the book, on the page. So I got this little tiny corner rounder. I think that's what I did. Yeah, that's what I did these with. So I'm going to do it on these. I like this kind of corner rounder. I've been wanting one for a really long time. And I finally got one, but I didn't realize it was going to be such a tiny little corner. But that's okay. Oh, I think I'd like to get another one that's got a little bit of a larger corner too. I wanted a tiny corner. I wanted a smaller corner than this one, but I didn't think it was going to be this teeny tiny. Alright, so I do like that, and I'm going to just use some tape runner, or not runner, but Dollar Tree tape to put these on. And I think I'll probably fast forward this part a little bit, putting all the tape on, or I may even cut it out. So yeah, so we had such a fun time that day. I was super nervous that like maybe I would have to go to the bathroom, and I don't take him in the bathroom with me, so that didn't happen. So thank God for that. And I was also worried that he might have to go to the bathroom, and he's such a little tiny thing sitting on dirty public toilets. I wasn't sure how I was going to handle that. But he never had to go to the bathroom, thank goodness. And we live so close to everything anyway that I could just run home and take him to the bathroom, in all honesty. So yeah, I didn't really have to worry about that. But I was also worried about like not being able to buckle his seatbelts. They're so complicated. But I didn't really have anything to worry about. It was fine. And he actually knows how to do it, so he was showing me. He's so funny. And so we just had a blast. We went to the park and McDonald's, and then we came home, and I thought for sure he would fall asleep, but he did not. And this picture here is, my son sent me this later. He fell asleep in his high chair while he was eating dinner, so I did wear him out. I know I started watching YouTube video after he went home, and I fell asleep too. So we were both worn out, but it was such a fun day. And I hope that we will be able to do it again. I mean, he comes over every Thursday from 7 to 2:30. while his parents are working, but, you know, I've never taken him out before. And so hopefully, you know, I think we both had such a good time that I'm sure we will do it again, but, you know, we don't have our own car seat, so it has to be moved. My son brought it over the night before, and, yeah, because my daughter-in-law drops him off in the morning, and then my son picks him up in the afternoon, and so he can just pick up his car seat. Like, she brings him in his car seat, her car seat, in the morning, and then he would just get the car seat back from me in the afternoon, so it works out well. And boy, I looked at some thinking, well, maybe I'll just buy one and be more convenient, but they're super expensive. So this is a better choice, I think. Unless he started coming more often, but I don't think that's the case, because he goes to daycare 3 days a week, and he goes to his other grandma's 1 day a week, and then he comes to our house 1 day a week. So that's, you know, I don't think I'll be having him, like, it's not like I'm ever going to have him every single day and would really need a car seat. This was the toy that was in his Happy Meal. I think I'm going to, yeah, I'm going to put these on some kind of a, oh, this goes this way. I think I can still put a little bit of a background on these. It would be nice if I put some paper on here too, I think. Just this part. I won't need it on this part because that's my flip. But I think I might put some tape because it's almost like perforated. So I'm going to put some, just some Scotch tape right here. So to reinforce it a little bit. Yeah. Because I could on the other side too, but I don't think I will. Okay. All right, we got that. I'm going to find a piece of paper to put on the back of this. I'll get that done, and I'll mount my photos and check back with you. Alright, so I have my 2 larger photos mounted. I cut this one down a little bit to fit on here better, and I figured I'd just stick with the red and yellow theme of McDonald's. So I'm going to put this right up here. I'm going to glue this down on this side. Oh, no, that's not a good idea. Oh, no. I think I'm going to have to do it on a different page. Oh, boy. Let's do it on this page. Or maybe this page. There's something on the back of that, too, though. Yeah, I think we're going to have to stick with this page. So we're going to put it like that. And then I thought I would just put this under here like this, and this photo down here. So that's going to be for that page. So the first thing, I guess, what I want to do is glue this down. And I'm going to use my Fabri-Tac for that. And if I didn't mention it already, I'm probably fast-forwarding through this a little bit. So, whoops. It's going to go like right here. All right, we'll do that. I think I'll just go ahead and put this on with the Fabri-Tac too. Yeah, I had a hard time figuring out how to put that little basketball thing together. But I did finally. He said he already had one, though, so it wasn't very exciting, I guess. We'll put this here. Yeah, all right. Saw my first robin a couple of days ago, and now I'm seeing more and more of them, so that's good. However, it was like 75, and now it's like in the 40s again, so that's kind of upsetting. I got lots of seeds, sunflower seeds, watermelon seeds, pumpkin seeds. I even decided to try starting corn in the house. So we'll see how that goes. So that's going to be over here. Yeah, that's going to be upside down, but that's all right. So we'll flip that up. Oop, I see some glue there. We don't want it too close. I think we'll let that glue dry a little bit and then wipe it off. So now we still have these pictures, and they're kind of not actually going to fit. We could do this, I suppose, but I don't really want to cover all of this up either. So let's see. I guess this wouldn't matter if we cover up some of this and this either. So let's see. These 2 pictures came next, so I think we'll just kind of put these like this, maybe. Yeah, I think that would look good. Let's do that. And I may or may not include everything. I've got 2 more things from McDonald's. I'm not sure I'm going to... Oh, one of those things fell off. I can put that on afterwards. That's okay. Maybe I better stick them on with more sticky stuff. They are old. Those little dot things are old. They're from when I was homeschooling Bethany and teaching her how to make patterns. So... maybe what I'll do, I have plenty of them. If any more fall off, I can do this too, but just put a little bit glue on it, and there. This one we'll put right down here. So this is a 3-page spread, and this one's going to go right here. Oops, doing it again with that one. Okay, I think there was enough Fabri-Tac on there to hold that one in place. We have that. It's kind of too big for that. What was that? We'll put these 2 over here, because these came next. There's some glue on this one. Oh well. Okay. Yeah, I can just put the Fabri-Tac right over those stickers, and they'll lay right down there. Yesterday, when we went out with my grandson, I noticed in our garden, right by our steps, our front steps, was a dead, what do you call it? Grackle bird. And it wasn't like It didn't hit a window. It wasn't in a spot where it might have hit a window and fallen. And it wasn't like chewed up or anything, as gross as that may sound. Like a bird had gotten it or anything like that. So I don't know what happened with the poor little thing. Well, not little. Grackles are pretty big, but still, I don't know what happened to it. And then I started worrying about the avian flu. Like maybe it had the avian flu. Who knows? Okay, so I think I might cut this down a teensy bit and put it right here. And oh, I forgot I have this too. Well, I don't know about this one. Maybe I don't know. I don't know what I'm going to do with this one now. But I am going to put this one down as a little pocket to put the receipt in. I think I probably had thought about making a larger pocket at one point with that. I don't remember what my reasoning for putting it on that was. Okay, so the receipt's going to get folded up and put in there. Is this going to be a 4-page spread? I don't know. This won't even fit in here. What if I could trim it down? Maybe I could trim it down to fit further in there. I think I could. Let's do that. I can do this and this. And it should fit in there better now. Oh, yeah. Okay, so I can do that. I didn't put the dots on there. I'll do that. I don't like it here, though. I guess I like it better here. Yeah, I think I'll do that. Let's glue this down. I think I'll use this for this. Yeah, I wasn't thinking. I don't even remember what my thought process was. I did this last night. I must have thought I was going to make a bigger pocket. But that's not what I did. And I don't really want to have one more page for this. Just for that. So we'll do this. And, whoops. I got some tape stuck on my finger. All right, let's get this down. Let me put some glue on this too. Well, how is your spring coming along? Like yesterday was the first day of spring, I believe. So that doesn't want to come off. Do it this way. So we've had a lot of days into spring. How's your spring so far? So far ours is good. Whoops. Now my glue just rolled on to the floor. I always do that. Make a mess. Make a mess wherever I go. Put a little bit of glue on here for good measure. Okay. Now we're just going to go ahead and put it here, even if we have to overlap that a little bit. I'm going to put my receipt right in here. Dollar Tree receipt. That's what I ordered. Oh, dots. Little dots. I'm looking for my tweezers. There they are. And of course the glue that I was using fell on the floor, so I'll just use this one for now. I am actually standing on a step stool to see my camera, and I can see that I'm running out of battery, so I better hurry up. I may end up putting some kind of sticker on here. But for now, actually I'm sure I will end up putting some kind of sticker on there. That's going to go in there. So there is my grandson and grandma day out spread. And I can put some writing paper here. I think that's what I'll do. And just journal about that in a minute. Okay, so I realized I have very little stickers that looked good on here. I had a few flower ones, so I put those on there. Oh dear, look at that. That's going to be ruined in no time. I forgot about that. Oh well. It's going to stay there for now. I've just used this little label for my journaling. If I need to, I can get a tag and put another little journaling card or something in there. So here we have our flip up with pictures. We have more pictures, 2 pockets, more pictures in my journaling. So thanks so much for watching. I appreciate your support. And in the meantime, until next time, stay happy, healthy, and safe. And we'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.